In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to apply our color palettes to our page. Okay, this is a color palette that I got from Pinterest, and how can we apply it to our page? This is one of the biggest hack I've seen in Canva. Okay, and I just want to hand over this gift to you because it's amazing. Okay, so let's jump right into Canva and do that now. Okay. All right, what we can do is, I don't want to make a new design. This is not a new design. I actually got it from the templates. Okay, I went here and I searched for social media design. Okay, and I ran the search. So I went through all what they gave me here and I selected this one. Okay, so it's not a new design. I just want to use it as an example. Okay, if you have your own design, you can use it. So what we can do is to go to Canva. Okay, I've already, not Canva, is to go to Pinterest. Okay, I search for color palettes. Okay, and I saw this one. Okay, I can run the search again if I want to. Oh, for some reason I lost that search. Okay, let's search for color palette. Okay, my recent search is there. So what I can do is to go through the color palette and look for the one I like. Okay, this is the one I used. Okay, I've already downloaded it before, and I'm just going to download another one just to give you an example. Okay, look at this one here. I'm going to come here and say download. Okay, in case you like it, so I'm just going to drag this one now. Okay, I'm dragging it into Canva. If you can drag or you just upload. Okay, it's the same thing. It's going to upload here. So what we can do is to right click on our image and come to apply color to page. Okay, it's going to pick all the color from here and apply it to the page, and this is amazing. Okay, you can also reshuffle it, apply color to page until give you what you want. I think I like this one better than the first one. Let me go to my upload. Let me bring in that first one so that I can apply it, so that you see how it looks, especially from the example I showed you in the beginning. I think it should be this one. Okay, the reason for this hack is that maybe you can pick a template, take your client's color palette and just apply it to your page. Okay, it's one of the biggest way that you can use those custom templates. Let me delete this one, and it doesn't necessarily, it doesn't matter in a way. You can just so let me apply this one. Viola, very simple. So if you have your client color palette arranged, you can just drag it in, apply it, and you are good to go. So that's it for this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.